Good morning. How are we doing? Bit of a different one today, because I'm here all on my own, all on my Tom Jones. Di's off getting a little bit more of his tattoo done, and John's just had to pop out. He'll be back in a bit. But I've been left to my own devices. So this one, like you've probably seen it a little while ago, me and John had to actually go pick this one up because it broke down. It's now back for its welding. So, as you can see, bumpers off and lights are off. Do need to still take that off. Wings are off, front end's off, doors clearly off. And then, this thing's getting welded all the way around. Sill, arch, rear arch, bumper bracket, all these things. So while Di is not here, I'm going to prep this van ready so it's ready for him tomorrow. So yeah, that's just me. That's just me for the day. I do need to also pull my van in because she needs some new brakes. So that's the thing. You may have just seen in the background the cow. No! She's the other way around. And that is because the front end is done enough for now. So we've now swung it around so we can actually start getting this disaster fixed. John did find out when he turned it round, as you can see by the jack, it has ever so slightly dropped on the back. So the back has been lifted up so John can deal with that. Yeah, I missed that. He said he got it outside the other day, and as he did, he was looking at it going, that don't look right.
What the hell is even that?
Something a little bit more for him to be dealing with. This van, in fact, just got put back on the ramps. It was taken off. And since you've last seen, she's got new discs. Well, I can see better from this side. Oh, there you go. New ball joints, top and bottom. New lower arm. She's got new discs. And John literally just put it back on the ramp because he's now going to do the exact same on this side. Everything else. But he's literally put this on the ramp this morning just to get a little bit more done. He's off to go pick up the head off of, well, you can't see because I put the shutters down. But there's a van out there with a 1Z in it. That had it head, I think I actually showed it on one of the videos actually. Yeah, it had a slight issue. So the head is now, I don't know if I did show it actually. I don't know. Lots has happened in lots of time. But John's just off to go pick up the head for that, and then he's going to rebuild that one, which will be nice to see that thing back together again. But I thought I should really pick the camera up and start getting some footage. I'm going to make myself a coffee because I'm freezing, as you can probably see. And then I'm going to get changed and start playing with the grinder. Anywho, stop rambling on. I'm going to go get myself a little bit more prepared for cutting. So I'll see you in a mo. And here is the first voiceover of the video. So I'm just going across it, just drilling out all the spot welds, and that's always fun when you've got to sort of try and find out where they are and not drill too deep. Then what I like to try and do, as you can see, is cut this main bulk of the panel off, because when I do the next bit, which is using a chisel and getting the pieces actually connected with them spot welds on, you don't have that whole panel flapping out the way. So I do like to try and get most of the bulk of the panel off if I can. And here is me just cutting off the rear quarter. So just going around, giving it a bit of a rough cut. This isn't the final cut where it's going to get welded. This is just the cuts to get the main bulk of the panel off. As you can see in a sec, here is the panel. And good morning. Welcome to the next morning. Now, I'm sorry about the footage from yesterday. I was cutting off that arch and genuinely don't know when the camera turned off. But yeah, that happened. So by the time I realised, it was way too late. And then we ended up going home. And it's now the next morning. And John has asked me to go collect the parts because where it got delivered is quite close to my house. So I said, I'll do that. Turns out it didn't get delivered there. They've actually delivered it to the place right near the workshop, so yeah, I've had to play silly buggers this morning trying to find it. So I'm going to carry on doing this. I've got 8 more, that's minutes, not miles. I've got 3 miles left until I get to where the parts have actually been delivered. And then we'll get to the workshop and we'll pick up the rest of the day. So, I'll see you when we get there. And welcome back to the workshop. So, turns out that part place also didn't have our part. It was being sent to another place. So, never mind. But it's on its way. It'll be here tomorrow. There's that problem solved. So, as you've seen, I can't remember how much is actually shown. But this side is now all cut out. Literally just got this piece to take off. And then Dai can start, and that, but unfortunately the inner tub's a little bit knackered, so just cut that bit off. But Namo's here today, so he can finish that job off. I am working on this, just got some ball joints to do. That's me. And as you actually haven't seen in this video yet.
Morning, people.
So this is the one I think you've seen, I can't remember, sure I showed it yesterday. The 1Z.
Ta-da! The mysterious 1Z.
It's going together well.
Yeah, I'll see. Well, turbo's on, head's on. I'm not going to put these injector pipes yet because I need to wait for the housing to come.
You said that should be here about 10-ish. So it should be here.
Yeah, so it's going to just stick the cam belt on now. And then stick cam belt, probably go get that housing. So put that on now, it's easier. Pipes on. And, yeah, exhaust is on, oil feed, return is on. Do the funnest job, put the radiator back on.
Yay.
A couple of little pipes here and there, should we?
Right as rain.
1Z and up the road again, hopefully.
You on hold? Oh, is that what that is? And Mr. Namo's on hold. So, I'm going to get these bottom ball joints done. I'm not going to bother filming it because it's... no under tree. So yeah, I'm not going to bother filming this. I'll just get this done. And I'll pick the camera up in a bit when we get a bit more closer to something. So, see you when something happens. Well, I have absolutely no idea what happened to the rest of this footage, because there was some footage of John actually putting that 1Z back together again, and honestly don't know where that footage has gone. But that thing is all done, dusted, back to its owner, doing many more miles. But I'm going to stop keeping your time. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a massive thumbs up because it massively helps. But as always, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for putting out a bad ass. And as always, take it easy.